I ain't been to pick my maters in a week. That's the last thing you want to do at the end of August is not pick these maters. Feels good to pull some weeds and mess around in the garden. Gardening's always been really healing for me, physically and mentally. All right, as I'm coming into the house, I'm definitely noticing a bit of a sewer-y smell. That might be a good sign. Messing with the sewer, getting that toilet plugged in. I had all these doors open, and I had a sign that said, "Do not close these doors." The doors are closed. This side seems to have survived it. This side was closed. This is why I didn't want to close it. It has it cured. So now I'm going to have to touch that up. The toilet is no longer in the foyer. The toilet is in the bathroom. She ain't hooked up. A beautiful children's room. Well, that explains the sewery smell. It's hooked up, but there ain't water in it. So, like, when it's on there, but there ain't water in it. It's not hooked up to water, but I think it is. I think they open the sewer drain, so when you flush it, it goes down away to the sewer. Sewer smell funky. I think we all know why. So without the water, it doesn't block the scent of the sewer. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I'm not as sweet as I used to be before I had the coronavirus. Lord, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna take a minute to look in this kid's room. So with final inspection, you have to have switch plates and everything up. So I need a switchy. I need a square cover. I think down here. Here, look at this. So in olden days, you could put electrical outlets down here close to the floor, but it's not up to code these days. So mine were moved up to code. So what I had to do is I had to put little plates over these old ones. Like the wires are cut out, but you got to put a little plate over top of it. So I need a little plate. Get a little piece of paper out. and then see what I have here, and then see what I'm going to get from the Habitat for Humanity Restore, because apparently I'm off quarantine. I'll still mask up. I got my pen out and made a list. So for the kids' room, what I need for as far as the electrical plates, I need 2 switch plates, 1 square outlet cover, and then 2 regular outlet covers, and then 1 flat plate to put over the hole. Let's see what I got in this house right now. I forgot Tom had decorated one. He wants on his side. So there's one for Tom. One for Z. Now these are actually like on the other, behind the desk, behind the bed. Those don't really show. Here's one flat cover. This flat cover is going to be too big. All right. Now I just need a square and they're done. Like, do I want all interesting, beautiful covers? Yes. But, as y'all can tell right now, I'm just getting this guy inspected. Got my dolphins in over here. The kitchen is in blue and green. We got gray, white, tiny bit of black. Blue and green is my kitchen. And then my bedroom and John's bedroom is also a blue and green, but a little bit different. We've got a little bit of gold up in the bedroom. I love that. Okay, anyway, white and blue and green. Blue and green is essentially what we got going on in this portion of the house. I'm digging it. And then I do have a comforter. I'm doing a brand new comforter for me and John's bed that I washed and dried in the sun and put in a plastic bag. I got it at Goodwill, as you might imagine. It's very pretty. Peach. And it's cotton. It's really pretty. I think it's going to pop nice. I guess it's this green. All right. Grab me some screwdrivers. Grab me these things. And I can get something done today. You know, that this is obviously... I got all this stuff from the Habitat for Humanity Restore. Except I did pick up some little screws so that I could hang all these from Lowe's. Just a tiny little pack of screws. I get these for 10 cents, never more than $2 from the Restore. You can paint switch plates. That's one way to go. That's a kind of fun little project I'll probably get into once we're all moved in. When I go to the Restore, I love to look for anything different. Anything a little bit different and a little bit unique. And also, whatever I need, even if it's plain, just to get the job done. Gotta work this weekend. I'm trying to think. Are the children... The difference between weekend and weekdays blurred together because the kids weren't in school and I had the coronavirus. I can't remember if they're home with me this weekend or away with their fathers. Either way, lining up this weekend when John's off from his 9 to 5. Next things I got for John and me to both do: drywall and insulate the attic. That's next up. This ain't fitting. The screws won't line up. Ain't nothing ever as easy as you think it's gonna be. That's a fact. At least these are going on no prob, Bob. Shortening my to-do list, if not annihilating it, shortening it. Phone number I had from my electrician who just needs to kind of fix some things a little bit around here. Phone number ain't working for him. And try a little bit to track him down. Or track down another different electrician. Time to go see about returning the shop back. Somebody else said my filter was clogged, but the thing is that I use filter bags. I use vacuum bag inside of it. And so all the air and the dirt and everything sucks into the vacuum bag. And that is the filter, and then the air comes out. So it's not a clogged filter. I don't know. But if I can easy breezy trade it in instead of trying to fiddle with it, let's do that and start over. I'll see you guys next time.